Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I am creating this video to bring up awareness of sessions that I am conducting on 9th of June to make you familiar with SAFe. If you are already SAFe certified, you are already working on SAFe, this session may not be useful for you. But if you are in a position that what you are taking or deciding whether we want to go for SAFe or what SAFe will be better or what is SAFe framework, then it will be very much helpful for you. The key concept of this session will be, it will be going for kind of 3 hours. Over there we will be talking about the whole SAFe framework, what exactly the framework is, and each component of SAFe framework will connect Scrum and how it is different than SAFe. And then we'll talk about the heartbeat of SAFe as PI planning, you might have heard about. And then we'll talk about the inspect and adapt event, which is one of the key events. The inspect and adapt event, in sense, we'll talk about the IP iteration. And we'll try to understand what exactly happened in that IP iterations. Now, this one is not a certification course, and this one is also not free. We have a small amount of token that you need to pay to give you seriousness of this participation. In USD it will be $25 and in INR it will be 2000 rupees. If you think these sessions can be somewhere create value for you and helpful for you to take a decisions, go for it. There will be a question answer sessions where you can ask any questions that you have, which certification is better for you, or what is the learning path, what is the career path of a SAFe Scrum Masters, because SAFe is something is widely used in the industry. And it's a very big umbrella. Within this 3 hours period, we cannot cover the whole SAFe in a granular level, but we'll give you enough information so that you can take a decisions and get a confidence about understanding of SAFe. I'll give you 2 links below. For India, 1 link, and for outside India, there will be another link. Feel free to click over there, register yourself, and we'll see you on 9th of June. Till that time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.